I don't have a bleeding heart plant, and I want to have one in my garden. These flowers are so beautiful, they kind of mesmerize me. So I collected a stem from a neighbor's home. Keep on watching the video to see what I do with this stem. This is a 2-inch pot filled with only river sand. I stuck the stem in the sand. I used no root hormone, no special treatment. I just stuck the stem in the sand and kept the pot in the side of the garden, almost unattended. But the stem has rooted. It's really a no-brainer to grow a bleeding heart plant from stem cuttings. It looks like people unnecessarily make it look complicated. I'm going to pot this stem in a 2-inch pot in coco peat. My intention is to grow it hydroponically using only coco peat. I will cut the stem here. I'm going to put this stem again in sand to root. I'm cutting these leaves to encourage side branching. Subscribe for further updates on this plant as I grow it hydroponically. Please like the video, leave a comment and share the video with your friends. That was it for today's video. Hope to see you again.